Hello, today you were gathered together with TP Education YouTube channel. Now I am going to tell you Science First Lesson Part 2. Last day we learned about beneficial effects of microorganisms. Now we learn about harmful effects of microorganisms. Harmful effects of microorganisms are two types. They are diseases caused for human and diseases caused for plants. Now let's learn diseases caused by virus. Number 1, cold. Method of spread. Air. The way virus enter to the body through respiratory system. Number 2, dengue. Method of spread. Mosquitoes. Where the virus enter to the body through the skin by mosquito bites. Number 3, AIDS. Method of spread by blood. Where the virus enter to the body through sexual contacts and blood transfusion. Now let's learn diseases caused by bacteria. Number 1, tuberculosis. Method of spread. Air. Where the bacteria enter to the body through the respiratory system. Number 2, thyroid fever. Method of spread. Polluted food and vectors such as housefly. Where the bacteria enter to the body through digestive system. Now let's learn diseases caused by protozoa. Number 1, malaria. Method of spread. Mosquito. Where the protozoa enter to the body through the skin by mosquito bite. Number 2, amoebic dysentery. Method of spread. Polluted food and water. Where the protozoa enter to the body through the digestive system. Number 3, leishmania. Method of spread. Vectors such as sandfly. Where the protozoa enter to the body through open wounds on the skin. Now let's learn diseases caused by fungi. Pityriasis and rashes. Method of spread. Contact of an infected person or through clothes of an infected person. Way of the fungi enter to the body through the skin. Now let's learn diseases caused by microorganisms plants. There are some diseases caused by microorganisms to plants. Number 1, powdery mildew disease. Powdery mildew disease is caused by a fungus. The leaves, stem, flowers and fruits of the plant are affected by this disease. Late blight disease also caused by a fungus. The whole tree get affected by this disease. Number 3, wilting. This disease is caused by fungi or bacteria. The xylem of the plant which transport water throughout the tree get affected from this disease. Now let's go to another harmful effect of microorganisms, that is food spoilage. The change of physical and chemical nature of food makes the food unfit for consumption. This process is known as food spoilage. Microorganisms multiply on food as food has the necessary factors for the growth of microorganisms. Now let's move to some questions and answers. Write some habitat where microorganisms are live. Hot water spring, petrol, diesel, human skin, soil. What is nitrogen fixation? The ability to absorb atmospheric nitrogen directly is called nitrogen fixation. What is antibiotics? And give examples. Chemicals produced in the body of microbe to destroy another microorganism is known as antibiotics. Example: penicillin, amoxicillin. What is bioleaching? Effective technology for metal extraction from low-grade ores by the use of microorganisms is known as bioleaching. What is bioremediation? Microorganisms are commonly used for environmental conservation. The technology used to remove environmental pollutant using microorganisms is known as bioremediation. What is a vector? Mosquito and flies are vectors which carry the pathogen to the host. What is a pathogen? A microorganism has a potential to cause a disease is called the pathogen. What is the host? Host is an organism who provides its body inside or outside as the substrate to growth of the pathogen. What is biopesticide? Some of the microorganisms can be used as biopesticide to control insect pests that use for damage to the crop. What is industrial microbiology? Various strains of microbes are used to research and economic benefits. Using microorganisms in industrial activities for economic benefits is known as industrial microbiology. What is antitoxins? Biochemical substances produced by the pathogenic bacteria which harm the host activity is known as antitoxins. Now the science first lesson is over. The end. Who did not subscribe my YouTube channel? Now subscribe.